Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to search words in Google Docs. Like and subscribe to support this channel. Let's get started. To find the specific words in a Google document, use an automatic search. To do this, enter the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+F. A small window opens on the right side. You can already use this window to search for words, but for more advanced functionality, click on these three vertical dots and the Find and Replace window will open. Now in the Find field, we type the word that we will be looking for example pizza, and as you can see, this word is highlighted in green and it appears exactly 46 times in the document. To navigate between the found words, use the previous and next buttons. They are needed so that you can replace a specific word. For example, we need to replace only the second word pizza. We select it using these keys. Then in the Replace With field, we type the word that will replace the current one and click Replace. To make a replacement for the entire document, as you may have guessed, click Replace All. If we mark the Match Case checkbox, then the search will now take into account the upper and lower case letters. For example, the word pizza with a capital letter appears in the text only 7 times, and with a small letter 39. Finally, if we mark the Use Regular Expressions checkbox, we can now find words with amazing accuracy. For example, in a regular search, the word pizza occurs both separately and as part of other words, and in case of replacement, such a word will receive some other interesting modification. To prevent this from happening, we use a slash and the B symbol to indicate the exact boundaries of the word, ensuring that the search is limited to the word itself without affecting other words containing the same letters. And now, as you can see, only 42 words have been found, which means the remaining 4 were part of other words. That's all. Now we know a little more. Thanks for watching.